everyone. So I am here in my basement and I am just trying to help guide those of you who've never tried to set up a still life before. I want you to, for this project, to really make sure that you choose something relatively smooth, something like plastic, like this water bottle, my Sprite bottle that I use for my clay work is a really great example of a plastic object that has all that is very true to the sphere that we copied to understand how form and light work, the different values of gray. So you can definitely see some highlight here and you can see some shadow here. One thing that makes it really easy, one helpful hint to make your still life more easy to look at is by maybe taking some paper and putting it behind it as an option. I'm also, this tablecloth on this table down here is very green and dark and textured. So one thing I can do to try to see the value, really how dark the shadow is from this water bottle is by just laying down this piece of paper so I can see a little bit more clearly how defined this is. So you're gonna want to approach this with a clip lamp. So as I showed you the photos of the clip lamp, they're fairly affordable. Get them at a Home Depot. If you don't have a clip lamp, I would just really try my best to maybe set up a lamp next to my still life. And I have two different light sources that are beaming down onto my still life object right now. But I just wanted to show you how you can make your shadow and ultimately your still life look more crisp in our own eyes and our own real-time experience in order for you to capture the form a little bit better. And maybe even see the core shadow and the reflected highlight a little easier as well. So just really simply, with my two light sources on right now, I just want to show you the drastic change of what happens when you just have one. So that's two lights on, and this is one light on. So with two lights on, you can see there's kind of a double shadow which is happening right now, and that would be something I would want you to consider actually rendering into your next assignment. And if you just have one, you can see just how the contrast is just so much heightened more in general anyways. And then if I turn off both light sources, I lose my highlight and I lose also the reflected highlight as well. Just look at that one more at a time. Yeah, so the highlight is gone and the reflected highlight is gone as well. And really actually all of the white paper is capturing more of the light here. So this is just a really quick lighting experiment that I wanted to show you, just really how important it is to just have one light source beaming down on your object in order to really see the contrast of the highlight versus the core shadow and the shadow on that appears on the ground here as well.